This 2-minute tip helps you master Do Not Disturb. Hello, this is an AppleInsider 2-minute tip. I'm William Gallagher, and just like you, I knew that iPhones have a Do Not Disturb feature, but what's considerably less known is just how many variations there are on that Do Not Disturb feature and just how many different ways it can be of use to you. First, you could use it right now to make sure that you're concentrating on this video and that you won't be interrupted. Go to System Preferences on your iPhone, tap on Do Not Disturb, tap to turn it on, and you're done. That's it. That's a complete way to switch off all interruptions. Well, almost complete. Let me come back to that in a moment. But it isn't the quickest or even the simplest way to do it. Instead, you can do the same thing wherever you are on your iPhone, whatever you're doing, whatever app you're using, by just swiping down Control Center and tapping on the Do Not Disturb button. While you're there though, try force pressing it instead. Now you always get options to switch off interruptions for 1 hour until this evening or until you leave wherever you are now. And if you wait for just a moment, that location one will even come up with a listing of where your phone thinks you are, if it's a recognized location like home is in that example. If there's an event on your calendar too, if it's an event that's on right now, you'll also get the option to switch on Do Not Disturb until after this event. That one is a little inconsistent though. We have had events that were showing on our calendar and yet for a reason we can't work out didn't give us this Do Not Disturb option. Whatever options are shown though, there is also always a schedule button which takes you back into System Preferences. There you can switch it on or off again, but you can also say that you want Do Not Disturb to work from midnight to 6 a.m. For example, you can schedule it to be whatever you need, and you can also specify what actually happens during that time. Maybe you just need 6 hours uninterrupted sleep, in which case stop everything, or maybe you're happy to have a call come through from a friend, a partner, a particular work colleague. It's up to you. You can go as fine as you like over who can and can't happen. What happens if people keep trying to call you, for example? And the last major way of using Do Not Disturb is while you're driving. You don't really use this yourself, your phone does. You can disable that right there in System Preferences, but otherwise your phone detects the motion, decides to turn it on. When you stop driving, by the way, your phone will figure that out. It can take a few minutes, but it will work it out, and it will switch off Do Not Disturb itself. You don't have to do anything. Whereas, if you did stop it to watch this video, you do now need to go back and turn it on yourself.
Enjoy that video? Click like and press on that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the Apple Insider Price Guide that has the best deals on Apple devices and is updated daily. Follow us on social media, and we'll see you guys in the next video.